Do you want to know how you can log into your childcare licensing system or account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step with your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your childcare licensing system or account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to Google search bar to search for childcare licensing login. Click on the second link which appears, which is the official page of ontario.ca. It will lead you childcare licensing system. After you click on it, a login portal will appear, and if it doesn't appear, this page will appear. Go ahead and click login/register. Now, what you need to do is write down your email address and your password associated with your Ontario account for you to log into your childcare licensing system. Go ahead and write down your email address, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully log in or sign in to your childcare licensing system. You can also sign in with partner using this button over here, and it will lead you to another login page where you can select the language and then log in to your account as well using your partner account. So these are the partners. Go ahead and choose your partner and then log into your account. If you have confusions about your password, you can click on this link, and if your account is locked, this link is for you. I hope this video about how you can log into your childcare licensing system was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.